Hey guys, welcome back to Global Motors Arena. Anytime Chevrolet unleashes a new Z06 variant of the Corvette, it comes with certain expectations. Launched in the early 1960s by Corvette guru Zora Arkus Duntov as a special performance package for Corvette C2 owners who were interested in tracking the cars, the simple 3-character badge has grown to carry massive weight in the Corvette community. Used sporadically over the years, the 2023 Corvette C8 Z06 represents the 5th iteration of the storied performance package. On numbers alone, the rear-engine C8 Z06 appears to be worthy of the title. For starters, Chevrolet installed the all-new 5.5-liter LT6 V8 rated at 670 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque with a redline of 8,600 revolutions per minute. Though the previous Z06 utilized a supercharged V8 to produce around 650 horsepower, the new LT6 is naturally aspirated, which means no forced induction power adders like a turbocharger or supercharger are used. That's a remarkable feat of engineering, one that yields a delightfully rev-happy personality thanks in part to the lightweight, low-inertia rotating assembly rooted in an all-new flat-plane crankshaft and short stroke. The performance-focused car is based on the Stingray and shares the same architecture, but the Z06 is 3.6 inches wider, so it can handle the imposing 345 series race tires and carve better aerodynamics. There's also a unique fascia with a front splitter that channels air to an intercooler, one of 5, and a new rear spoiler with an adjustable wicker bill to improve downforce at speed. When equipped with the Z07 performance package, the car is capable of 1.22 grams of road-hugging grip. Taj Juechter, Corvette Executive Chief Engineer, says, "By leveraging the mid-engine architecture's inherent advantages, we are able to achieve 6% more downforce than a 7th General ZR1 and 8% lower drag." If the dimensions of the wheels weren't impressive enough, the Corvette now has available lighter carbon fiber wheels that reduce unsprung weight by 41 pounds overall for better handling. The Z06 comes standard with 20-inch front and 21-inch rear, Spider, aluminum wheels with 5 finishes to choose from. These are the largest wheels available on any Corvette. An extra $8,995 amps up the intensity even further with a carbon fiber high rear wing, carbon fiber ground effects, a specific chassis tuning, including a specific tuning of the active suspension, Michelin Cup 2R ZP tires and Brembo carbon ceramic brakes and optional carbon fiber wheels. Chevrolet says the finessed aerodynamics add 734 pounds of downforce at 186 miles per hour, more than any other factory Corvette. This builds on track mode settings that include launch control, traction management and an electronically limited slip differential. General Motors' active magnetic ride control was a revelation when it debuted back in the early 2000s, forever altering how the ride versus handling equation is calculated. The Z06 is calibrated to be a race car and utilizes the 4th generation of the technology to extract the most performance possible. There's also 6-piston brakes, which are bigger than those on the Stingray. Those are up to 13.3 inches. You can't say Chevy doesn't give you options beyond coupe or convertible. The online configurator is a testament to the overwhelming number of design choices available. There's 70th anniversary editions in white pearl metallic tri-coat or carbon flash metallic, or add-on satin matrix gray stripes. Almost endless possibilities. Chevy says there are 12 exterior colors, 7 interior colors, 7 wheel packages and 6 brake caliper finishes. Interior choices include 3 seat configurations and 6 seat belt options accented by a choice of 2 carbon fiber interior packages or a single, stealth aluminum, choice. All these features and thrills don't come cheap. The base 1LZ Coupe starts at $106,395 including destination. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. I'll see you in the next video.